Hi guys, this is Tsuriteng massan. In Japan, Tsuriteng is a person who is proud of his fishing skills. This channel is about fishing and cooking. On my days off, when the weather is nice, my wife sometimes gives me a small allowance so I go fishing. You can catch many kinds of fish in the Sea of Akashi. My beloved boat called Friend Boat. I named my boat Friend Boat because I want to make friends with many people I met in the sea. Akashi's red snapper is delicious. (1995) found non-profit organization Master Fisheries. 1997 I bought a fishing boat and expanded my fishing area. 1998 after a family meeting, I became the vice president and my wife became the president. 2001 I introduced Kansai style kawahagi fishing in fishing magazine Okapari. 2003 I learned more fishing skills from pro red snapper fishermen in Akashi. 2009 named sun-dried red snapper tabete mitai and dried horse mackerel with mirin, aji no mirin-chan. 2014 I got interested in plates and chopstickless and created original mini Japanese boat shape plate. Please search for Mini Funamori Massan on your YouTube or Yahoo and so on. Under the strict supervision of my wife, I kept catching more fish and making more dried fish. If you are interested in fishing and cooking, please read this book. Oh, sorry, publishing a book needs money, so it has not been released yet. Fishing is all about reading the flow of the tide and understanding and predicting the movement of the fish.